Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to replace the cartridge for this two-handle faucet that looks like this. It's a Moen product, and when I try to open it, this is how you have to do. You just have to turn anti-clockwise with your hands. Some faucets come with a screw over here, but this model doesn't have it, which means it's very difficult to just open just by hand if I try to rotate anti-clockwise, because this is almost 5 years old and the handle is way too tight to turn. So I have to replace the cartridge, and I'll show you the cartridge that goes in here. So this is the cartridge that comes with this model. So I have the replacement cartridge with me. This is how it looks. But the challenge over here is to open this handle so I can replace the cartridge. So I tried a few ways to open it. I couldn't figure out proper way to do it. Then I came up with an idea of some of you may have different ideas, but this is what worked for me. I already did with that idea on the left side. I'll try to demonstrate on how to do it on the other side. So this one works so nice, very smooth. This one just way too tight. Okay, so this is what I did. I used a tennis racket grip. It's a used grip, so I just used to wrap it around, and then I'll just try to turn it. So this is how I wrapped it around. I'm just trying to do with my one hand. Okay, one second, just bear with me. Okay, so just wrap it around nicely. So I already gave it a shot, so that's why you can see it started to move. So what I have to do is just bring it to the on position. But before you do all of that, make sure you turn the main water supply off. I did it right from the bottom knob. Some houses may have to shut off the main water supply, so make sure you do that. And once you're here at this step, I'll just try to do it like this. So now this gives me a very firm grip to work with. Okay, still very tight. One second. Okay, let me just wrap it around a little more so I have a good grip on it. Okay, so that really worked for me on the left cartridge. Now I'm going to just turn it around. I'll probably pause this video and we'll continue with the rest of the steps, because I need to do it with both hands, it seems.